Reliance Industries, India's largest company by market cap, a name every Indian knows. But what if I told you Reliance didn't grow the way most people think? Because this isn't just a company that got bigger over time. This is a business that quietly built an empire. Today, Reliance generates over 10.7 lakh crores in revenue, serves more than 500 million Geo users, and operates across four completely different businesses in under a single group. So the real question is, how did one company pull this off? Reliance started as a small textile trading company, but today it is India's largest company worth trillions of rupees. But the real questions investors should ask is Reliance still a good investment today? In this video, we are going to do a full fundamental analysis of Reliance Industries. We'll go through the business, we'll open the financial statements, we'll analyze the numbers, and then build a valuation framework to estimate what is the fair value of the stock actually is. No fluff, just structure analysis. So by the end of the video, you'll have a clear framework to make your own informed decisions. So let's get into it. Before we touch any financial number, we need to understand what Reliance is as a business, because this is not a simple company, and honestly the complexity is both its strength and a reason lot of investors find it hard to value. Reliance today operates across four core segments. Let me walk you through each one. Number one is oil to chemicals, which company calls as O2C, and this is where Reliance started. And they operate one of the world's largest and most complex refineries in Jamnagar, Gujarat. They take crude oil, refine it, and convert it into fuels and chemicals. And this is still a massive contributor to the revenue, but the margins are globally under pressure right now, and we'll analyze that once we get to the numbers. Number two is Geo. Everyone knows Geo. Geo today has over 500 million subscribers. It is India's largest telecom operator. But more importantly, Geo is Reliance bet on becoming the digital ecosystem. And think broadband, streaming through Geo Hotstar, enterprise connectivity, and potentially the AI infrastructure. The ARPU, that is average revenue per user, right now is 206, and that a single change in ARPU could add thousands of crores to the bottom line. Number three is Reliance Retail. With over 19,000 stores and 349 million customers, this is India's largest retailer by significant margin. They operate across grocery, electronics, fashion, and they're now building out quick commerce as well. The daily gross orders in quick commerce grew by 2.5x in just one quarter, and that business is scaling very fast. And the number four is new energy. This is newest segment and honestly the most speculative one. Reliance is investing heavily in solar panels, green hydrogen, and battery manufacturing. Revenue contribution right now is near zero, but the capex being deployed here is massive. This is Reliance long-term bet on energy transition, and it's something that doesn't show up in today's financials but could be a significant value driver in coming 5 to 10 years. Now, let's put some numbers to this. Total revenue for FY 2025 came in at 10.7 lakh crores, making Reliance first Indian company to cross 10 lakh crore in total equity. O2C contributes largest chunk of the revenue, but when you look at the profits, Geo and retail are becoming increasingly important. The mix is shifting, and the shift is actually most interesting thing about this company right now. So at its core, Reliance started as an oil and textile company. Over the decade, it became petrochemical giant. Then with Geo, it made one of the boldest move in the Indian corporate history, and it paid off completely. Now it's trying to do the same thing in retail and clean energy. The story is one consistent reinvention, and that what makes the company very fascinating to analyze. But the stories don't pay your returns, right? Numbers do. So let's open the financials and see what the numbers are actually trying to tell us.